Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Well, if I were the dean, I will not Lisa handle thesis anymore because everyone knows she passes students who give her gifts, right?
Martin, that's serious accusation.
Martin, that's not true. You're tarnishing my name without proof.
Just saying what people already whispered. Come in.
Good morning, Dean.
Good morning. Please have a seat. What's your concern?
Dean, this has gone too far. That was a public place and other staff were there. This could affect my career.
I agree. False accusation of bribery and service should take a formal action.
He has done this before, just rumors. But now, it's too much.
You will file a formal affidavit of complaint and will start the legal process.
Thank you for your time and suggestions, Dean.
You're welcome. Here we go now.
Ma'am, oral defamation or slander, of course, means someone publicly utters a statement that damages your reputation. If this statement are untrue, you can file a case.
He accused me of accepting bribes in front of colleagues. I have a witness.
Then we will need a sole affidavit of complaint for you. Please detail the incident, the statement made, and provide the name of the witnesses.
I, Elisa Ramos of Legal Age and a faculty member at Harvard University, I am filing this affidavit of complaint against Prof. Martin Cruz for slander. On April 16, 2025 at 12:30 p.m. in a school canteen, he publicly accused me of accepting bribes from students during thesis defense season. This statement was made in the presence of at least 2 co-workers, including Prof. Janil Salvador, and is entirely false. These words have caused serious harm to my professional and personal reputation. I execute this affidavit to initiate legal action.
Here is my documents, attorney.
Thank you, Ma'am Elisa. With your sworn statement and witness testimony, we have enough to proceed with the preliminary investigation.
I don't want to ruin his life, but I don't want him to ruin mine either.
This is the lawful way to resolve such crime. Slander has a serious effect, especially in academic institutions.
Go.
This court acknowledges the complaint of slander filed by Ms. Elisa Ramos. Mr. Martin, do you understand the gravity of allegations?
Your Honor, I was just expressing an opinion. It wasn't meant as an official accusation.
Publicly accusing someone of perjury without evidence is not protected speech. It is defamation. This case will proceed under due process.
You did the right thing. Your name matters. You worked too hard to let it be stained by baseless words.
I didn't want conflict, but I realized silence allows lies to grow.
Slander may begin with a careless word, but its damage can last a lifetime. If you've been falsely accused, an affidavit of complaint is your legal path to truth and justice.
So here is the format of Affidavit of Complaint. The undersigned, Elisa Ramos, who is the complainant, accuses Martin Cruz, the accused, slander committed as follows to it. So the first paragraph consists of the time, date, place of the incident. And the next one, the second paragraph is the specific circumstances of the incident. The next paragraph is the complainant here, the defamatory statement of the accused. The fourth and fifth paragraph consists of the result of his actions which made the respondent to file a complaint. The next one is it should be signed by the complainant. The next one is it should be signed by a judge or a public attorney. And lastly, the name of the witness.
An affidavit of complaint is used at the very start of the criminal justice process. It is filed by a victim, witness, or the law enforcement officer to formally report that a crime has been committed. This document describes the facts of the incident identifies the suspect if known, and explains the basis for the accusation.
The Affidavit of Complaint is crucial because it serves as the foundation for the filing of criminal charges. Prosecutors and investigators use it to decide whether there is sufficient evidence to proceed with an investigation, file a case in court, or request the issuance of a warrant of arrest. It contributes to the system by ensuring that accusations are backed by sworn statements, reducing false claims, and protecting the rights of both the complainant and the accused. By requiring the affiant to swear to the truthfulness of the complaint, the affidavit also promotes honesty, accountability, and efficiency in the criminal justice process, helping to build a strong and fair case from the beginning.
So this affidavit of complaint is legally important because it is a sworn written statement that serves as a credible evidence in legal proceedings. It is necessary as it formally records facts under oath, helping support investigations, court filings, and legal decisions without requiring immediate oral testimony.